Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I like to give a presentation about my IT projects. But before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Tama. I'm from XRPL class in Idean Building School. Okay, so let's go to the next. So the multimedia. I like to deliver the project that was multimedia. So what is multimedia? I take on the ChatGPT. It says multimedia refers to the content that we use of combination like different form of media such as text, audio, image, video, graphic, and animation to communicate information, provide entertainment. So it's like how we communicate from design using a text, audio, image, video, graphics, and animation. For the example of this that I make from the graphics, image, and text. As you see, there's the graphics, there's an image, and there's a text. Okay. So as you see, the graphic is like this one on the corner, the picture, the wall of the screen, and then the text was the text on this presentation. The text. And there's two most used application I use for designing. The first is Figma and the second is Canva. So what's the difference? There's no like the difference, but Figma is the things that's more complicated than Canva. Canva is like for the beginner and there's so many templates, but Figma you can create your own design like customize and others. So what's better? For me, I'd like designing on Figma more than Canva, but for making like the presentation like this or the slide video, I'd rather using Canva because there's the template and they already give us the transition and the others. So it will be like saving my time for making the slide and the presentation. So as you see this, for example, there's already the animation, and there's actually this I don't need to make it anymore. There's the template on the Canva, and that's why. But in Figma, sometimes I'm also making the presentation video like this, but for the slide video maybe I'd like to import the picture from the Figma to the Canva and turn it into a video, so it will be change the slide every like the custom second. So this was the sample of my design. This was I make in Canva, and this one in Figma. There's a only a little different, but in Figma I can customize the font like this more better than in Canva. Okay, maybe just that from me, guys. Sorry for all of my mistake, but maybe I'd like to give you about a little things about my another design. Okay, wait. Okay, so like as you see this one, some of my design in the Figma. So what's the difference is, as you see in here, I can just customize the picture more better in Figma. I can just change in here, and I can change all of this, like the exposure, the contrast, or the others. But different with the sorry. Okay. Okay, as you see, this one of this side of the Figma that I make a long time ago. As you see, I can just choose the image right here, and then I can just edit the exposure, the contrast, the saturation, or the temperature, like this. But different with the Canva. For the Canva, I also can edit it, but a little bit hard. Yeah. Like I must to go here first. For me, Canva need more internet because it was have so many features. But yeah, that's good. There's a filter, so we can just directly change it. Not to setting it again. For the font, there's so many font in the Canva, but for the Figma there's so many font also, like this. Let me show you. This all the font, there's so many, but if you want to just customize your font, you can just download it, and then this was some of the font that I download in the Figma. Okay guys, maybe just that from me. Sorry all for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.